everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I want to make hot chocolate in 3 ways. Stay tuned with Where is my knife?
Let's mix 1 spoon of cornstarch with milk and put it aside. For the chocolate to melt faster and easier, we must break them into pieces. Let's put the milk on fire and warm it up. After we add chocolate powder and the mixture of milk and cornstarch. After 2 minutes, we can add the pieces of chocolate to it and wait for it to become thick and rich. Oh my, look at that! It's ready after 2 minutes. Let's design it with some cream and grated chocolate. If you're into thick, hot chocolate, this is the best one ever. Classic hot chocolate. Let's pour milk into a pan and add brown sugar, heavy cream, vanilla powder or vanilla extract, and mix it together. It's ready after 3 minutes. For better texture, clear it with a strainer. You can use cotton candy for the decoration. French hot chocolate. Add 500 milliliters of milk to the pan and throw in 2 cinnamon sticks so the taste mix with the milk. Again, for the chocolate to melt better, we should break them into pieces again. Remove the cinnamon sticks after 2 minutes, and after add some chocolate powder or vanilla extract and mix. Then add the pieces of chocolate bars and it's ready after 3 minutes. I like to serve it with cinnamon sticks. What about you?